Good morning, friends. Today I am going to discuss about the difference between colorimetry and spectrophotometry. I have already taught this in the class, both the techniques, colorimeter and spectrophotometer, both the instruments. But the students got confused that what is the difference between colorimetry and spectrophotometry. They were constantly asking me. This is part of the MSc semester 2 syllabus, paper CC6, bioinstrumentation and biostatistics. So to begin with, one may ask that what is the key difference between colorimetry and spectrophotometry. Colorimetry uses fixed wavelengths that only are in the visible range, while spectrophotometry can use wavelengths in a wider range. In spectrophotometer, you can fix the wavelength manually. You can enter it that I want to take the reading at this particular wavelength. But in colorimeter, you can't do that. There are 4 or 5 filters particularly in colorimeter, and you are bound to choose one of that wavelengths. Well, spectrophotometry and colorimetry are techniques we can use to identify molecules depending on their absorption and emission properties. Moreover, this is an easy technique to determine the concentration of a sample that has a color, although molecules do not have a color. One point to be noted here is why students got confused that the principle in both the instruments is the same only. So although molecules do not have a color, if we can make a colored compound from it by a chemical reaction, that compound can also be used in these techniques. Furthermore, energy levels are associated with a molecule and they are discrete. Therefore, the discrete transition between the energy states will only occur at certain discrete energies. In these techniques, we measure the absorption and emission arising from these changes in the energy states. Thus, this is the basis of all spectroscopic techniques. Both are spectroscopic techniques. But colorimetry is the technique that helps to determine the concentration of a solution having color. It measures the intensity of color and relates the intensity to the concentration of the sample. In colorimetry, the color of the sample is compared with a color of a standard in which the color is known. As I have already told you in the class, we compare it with a standard solution in which the concentration of that solute in that solute is already known. So you fix that concentration with the amount of color produced in that reaction mixture, and we say that this is the absorption value of this much concentration of the standard solution. We fix it. Then we run our test sample. Then we take the measurement of our test sample. We take its optical density OD, and then we calculate it. Okay. So in spectrophotometry, the technique of measuring how much a chemical substance absorbs light by measuring the intensity of light as a beam. Light as a beam of light passes through the sample solution. Moreover, spectrophotometer is the instrument used in this technique. It has two main parts: the spectrometer, which produces the light with a selected color, and the photometer, which measures the intensity of light. Spectrophotometer, you can say, is an advanced form of the colorimeter. In a wide range of wavelength, you can take the measurement, even in the UV range also. Correct? And the solution need not to be a colored solution. In spectrophotometer, there is a cuvette where we can place our liquid sample. In colorimeter also we use cuvette. The liquid samples will have a color and it absorbs its complementary color when a light beam passes through. So even if the solution is having color, you can take the reading in the spectrophotometer. But if the solution is not having the color, in that case also you can take the reading. But that is not possible in the colorimeter. The color intensity of the sample relates to the concentration of the substance in that sample. Therefore, that concentration can be determined by the extent of absorption of light at the given wavelength. So, I have already shown in the figure that is being displayed. You can look into that. So, what is the difference between colorimetry and spectrophotometry? Both colorimetry and spectrophotometry are quantitative measurements of the determination of the amount of substance present in a sample. The key difference between colorimetry and spectrophotometry is that the colorimetry uses fixed wavelengths that are only in the visible range. Fixed wavelength and in visible range, while spectrophotometry can use wavelength in a wider range. Already told you, it can even take the measurement in the UV range, because DNA and some of the proteins, because of the some of amino acids like tryptophan, they observe the light in the UV range. So you have to take the measurement in UV spectrum. Moreover, a significant difference between colorimetry and spectrophotometry is that a colorimeter quantifies light by measuring three primary color components of light, that is red, green and blue, whereas a spectrophotometer measures the precise color in human visible light wavelengths. Furthermore, colorimeter measures the absorption of light, whereas spectrophotometer measures the amount of light that passes through the sample. So this is also a difference between the colorimetry and spectrophotometry. So how do they do it? In this case, spectrophotometer. In spectrophotometer, a beam of light is given and it is being scattered and a particular wavelength is being selected, and then that instrument measures the light which passes through the sample. Okay, so it subtracts the intensity of light before passing the sample, that is the sample placed in the cuvette, and the intensity of light that comes out of the sample. So there is a difference between those two intensities and it subtracts it, and based on the value that we got after the subtraction, the concentration of the solute is determined. So in the figure you can see, this is the definition, the technique we use to determine the concentration of a solution having color, and spectrophotometer, the technique of measuring how much light a chemical substance absorbs by measuring the intensity of light as a beam of light passes through the sample. Wavelength uses fixed wavelength which are in the visible range, and in spectrophotometer can use the wavelengths of a wider range. Sample color need to use colorful samples, need to use colorless samples. Quantification quantifies color by measuring three primary color components, red, green and blue, measures the precise color of the UV visible light wavelengths in spectrophotometer. And in the measurement, colorimeter measures the absorbance of light, and it in spectrophotometer measures the amount of light passes through the sample. So we can summarize it in brief that colorimetry and spectrophotometry are two methods we can use to determine the content of a substance in a given sample by measuring light absorption through that sample. The key difference between the colorimetry and spectrophotometry is that colorimetry uses wavelengths that are only in the visible range, while spectrophotometry can use a wavelength in a wider range. So for the exam point of view, you can answer these questions. If you are asked to explain about the colorimetry, you can simply go through that and define that Lambert-Beer's law, this and that I have already told you in the class. You can mention the Lambert-Beer's law here also, and in spectrophotometry also, and you can list the differences between these two things, and accordingly you can answer it. Hope this might be useful for you. Thanks a lot.